Before dinosaurs captured the public imagination, before evolution became a household word, there was a man who proved that extinction was real. His name was Georges Cuvier, the scientist who founded vertebrate paleontology. Cuvier was born on August 23, 1769, in Montbéliard, a small town near the Jura Mountains. From a young age, he showed an extraordinary memory and fascination with the natural world. As a child, Cuvier devoured books on animals and anatomy. He was especially influenced by the works of Georges-Louis Leclerc Comte de Buffon, whose writings on natural history sparked Cuvier's curiosity about how animals were structured. Despite limited financial means, Cuvier earned a scholarship to study in Stuttgart, where he trained in comparative anatomy, the study of similarities and differences between animal species. Cuvier had a revolutionary idea. Every part of an animal's body is functionally connected. Change one part, and the whole system must adapt. He called this the correlation of parts. By carefully comparing skeletons, teeth, and bones, Cuvier realized something astonishing. You could identify an entire extinct animal from just a single bone. This approach laid the foundation for vertebrate paleontology, the scientific study of fossilized backbones and skeletons. In the late 1700s, many scientists believed fossils belonged to living species somewhere on Earth. Cuvier disagreed. By studying fossils of mammoths and mastodons, he demonstrated they were not modern elephants. They were entirely different species that no longer existed. For the first time in scientific history, extinction was proven as a natural fact. This changed biology forever. Cuvier believed Earth's history was marked by sudden, catastrophic events, floods, or disasters that wiped out entire species. This theory, known as catastrophism, dominated paleontology before evolutionary theory took hold. While he rejected the idea that species evolved into new forms, his meticulous fossil research laid essential groundwork for later scientists like Charles Darwin. Ironically, even though Cuvier opposed evolution, his work helped make it possible. Georges Cuvier reconstructed dozens of extinct animals, including giant marine reptiles and prehistoric mammals. He transformed fossils from curiosities into scientific evidence. Today, he is widely recognized as the father of paleontology, the founder of vertebrate paleontology, a pioneer of comparative anatomy. Without Cuvier, our understanding of prehistoric life would be centuries behind. Then came the discovery of enormous fossil jaws found in Europe. Cuvier studied the skull and compared it to living reptiles. It was neither fish nor crocodile. It was something far more ancient. He helped identify it as Mosasaurus, a colossal marine reptile that ruled the seas over 66 million years ago. This was one of the first true prehistoric marine reptiles ever recognized by science. The oceans, Cuvier realized, had once belonged to reptiles of unimaginable size and power. Cuvier also examined massive fossil vertebrae that belonged to a serpent unlike any alive today. He identified it as Palaeophis, a giant marine snake that swam through ancient coastal waters millions of years after the dinosaurs. Some species in this group may have exceeded 20 feet in length. It was yet another reminder. Ancient ecosystems were filled with creatures now completely gone. Essentially, his main teaching and research were based in Paris, combining the Collège de France and the National Museum of Natural History. Cuvier proved that worlds had existed before ours, and that life on Earth has a deep, dramatic history written in stone. Georges Cuvier is buried at Pantheon, Paris in Paris, France. The Pantheon is a mausoleum reserved for France's most distinguished figures in science, literature, and politics. Cuvier was interred there in 1832, honoring his immense contributions to natural history and the foundation of vertebrate paleontology.